just same shit, all my friends with me.
It's a warm tropical region where seafood is king and the seafood restaurant experience is one of a kind. Instead of simply ordering off the menu like at a typical restaurant, here in Sanya, I'll first need to visit a nearby seafood marketplace and pick all the fresh ingredients myself. But it might take a while. The seafood selection here is insane.
Some very, very unique creatures of the sea that I've never seen before. If I didn't know any better, I would think that this right here is mushrooms. These look like mushrooms. And I think they're clams. They look like they're moving mushrooms.
I play no games. All about the grind, I'm about to fly shit, about to cry.
这是什么东西？
海胆。
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 Oh. Whoa. It's very spiky. Oh, it's got like a little mouth down there. This thing looks like it would be really dangerous. Like, I feel like I should be afraid, but actually, I'm sure it's very friendly. Wow. Look at these right here. These are like massive clams. Oh my. The head of an axe. You could put this on a stick and cut a tree down with this. So we're still on the hunt for the food that we want to eat today. And I've just noticed the very cute, very approachable mianbao xie. It literally means like the bread crab. It looks like a hamburger bun. If you were a little uglier, I might be able to eat you, but you're just too cute. Oh. This is an Alaskan snow crab. It's absolutely massive. I mean, if I had the money to buy this, which I probably don't, I don't. But if I could buy this, I definitely wouldn't want to eat it. I would want to own this as a pet, right? I mean, wouldn't you rather own this as a pet than eat it? It's so cool. You could train it to attack your enemies. I can't get enough of these things. These are so funny looking. Oh! Whoa! Just got a little squirt out of there. Oh! Whoa! Huge lobsters here. Whoa! Wow! Look at this thing! It's so big! Very cute. Cuddly. I'm gonna drop you back in there nicely. It is the Dongxingban. This is the same fish that Donald Trump and Xi Jinping ate when Trump came to visit just recently here in China. And you know what? I want the presidential specialty, so I'm gonna pick the same fish. 你好，来一条东星斑，对。Yo, wow, it's got these blue spots all over it. It's beautiful. Wow. Sorry, buddy. You're cute. You're lovely, but I'm about to eat you, man. Sorry. Okay. Wow, yeah, look at this crab. It's beautiful. Okay, maybe 2 or 3. What do you think? I think I want to eat one of these. I think it'll probably make me stronger. I have a feeling, so it's very important for me. Oh, whoa. Okay. Lai, you go. There you go. More clams. 这是34块的吧？这么便宜。Okay, all right. She's hooking us up. Welcome to Clam City. That's why I love you. Oh, my hands are wet. My fingerprint. Fingerprint password needs verification. My fingers are still wet. It's the one downside to paying with WeChat at the seafood market. Success. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Dang, she's giving us more clams. Oh, baby. Come on. It's so heavy. We gotta bring it to the table. We gotta bring it to the kitchen so we can cook it now. Whoa. Oh my God, the bag is coming alive.
Once I've selected all my seafood, I take it to the restaurant, tell the chef exactly how I want it prepared, and relax while my super fresh feast is brought to me.
Recording me, you need some yellow tape. Kill the beef, then we get some steak. Food for thought, I even lick the plate. Food for thoughts, they even lick the base. Paper chasing's not about a race. Sketchy lines that go and get erased. I was rapping in classes and trying to learn the pocket. Made this an outlet cause I know the plug gon' fit the socket. I need a place where I can tweet and get the birdies flocking. I've been adoring the game, it's time to get to knocking. Yeah, call me Chigga, just know I ain't rich. Talking shit, I'm smelling plenty fish. You gon' marvel at this iron fist. Decipher this, but you won't see no wit. Out advancing, let's take it over and take advantage. This year is colder, earth acting different, but who could plan it? Go grab a bandage, I'm what you want like you fucking have it. I'm born tender, they
Oh yeah, so much seafood. I've never seen such variety in my life. This is the same fish that Donald Trump ate when he came to visit Xi Jinping. A little bit of this. I see we have mantis shrimp here. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm gonna get it. It never ends. And it just keeps coming. It's time to go in. We're going in hard. Huge piece of mantis shrimp meat here. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. Tender, soft meat. Wash my hands here. Guys, it's hard work, but someone's got to do it. You got to get your hands dirty sometimes. So now I have some cockles. Use a toothpick and just whoop, pull it right out. Friend. Okay. Well, I know what you're thinking. It would be impossible for me to eat all of this by myself. And you know what? You're right. I'm not going to be eating this all by myself. I came here with a crew, and you know what, guys? Come on. Come on, guys. Let's sit down. Let's all enjoy this together. Join the seafood feast. Let's dig in. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you had a good time exploring the seafood market here in Sanya with me. I know I had a great time. We'll see you next time.